Hey everyone! Welcome back to AppMelodies, the channel where we turn app ideas into reality, without the overwhelm. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to create a fully working Flutter game called TapTiles, from scratch, using Android Studio. It works on Android, iOS, web, and even Windows, and you don't need any advanced knowledge or game engines. Just copy, paste, and play. Let's dive right in. Rocket. Hammer and wrench. Step 1. Create a new Flutter project. Open up Android Studio, and select New Flutter Project. Choose Flutter application. Give it a name like TapTiles_game. Make sure to select Kotlin as the language for Android. And enable all platforms you want to support: Android, iOS, web, and desktop. Then hit Finish, and Android Studio will generate your base project. Heavy checkmark. Done. You now have your game project structure ready. Page facing up. Step 2. Replace the main.dart with game code. Go to the lib folder, and open main.dart. Now, delete everything inside and replace it with the TapTiles code I've provided. Full code is in the blog post, link in the description and pinned comment below. Package. Step 3. Update pubspec.yaml. Next, open your pubspec.yaml file. It's in the root of your project. Replace its content with the updated version from the blog. Step 4. Run your game. Now for the fun part. Select your emulator or connected device from the top toolbar in Android Studio. Then just click the green Run button, or press Shift plus F10. Your app will build, and within a few seconds, you'll see the TapTiles splash screen. Tap to start, and the game begins. The glowing tiles appear, you tap them to score points, and if you miss one, it's game over. White heavy checkmark. You now have a fully working Flutter game. Globe with Meridian's resources and bonus. To make it even easier, I've created a full blog post on AppMelodies.com. If this video helped you, please thumbs up, like the video. Open mailbox with raised flag. Subscribe to AppMelodies for more Flutter apps and game tutorials. Thanks for watching. I'm Vishal from AppMelodies.